Assalamualaikum and a very good day I get to my panels and audience. Today I will be presenting my final year's project proposal entitled Maintenance Management System for Automatic Handling System at Smart Manufacturing Research Institute SMRI Lab. The researcher is myself, Noramiera Ezrin Binti Norzaslee. I am from UiTM School of Mechanical Engineering and my supervisor is IR Dr. Azlina binti Salleh. For introduction, this study will focus on the goal of maintenance routine, which is to guarantee that all production-related equipment is running at peak efficiency at all times. This is because the expenses of a breakdown during operation, including many costs such as downtime costs, cost of standby equipment, costs due to short lifespan, and total cost. As a result, for this automatic handling machine, we need to create and maintain a process failure mode effect analysis PFMA in order to assist an effective quality management system at defect prevention. The main goal of PFMEA is to detect any potential failure, analyze the cause and implication of such failure, and provide way to avoid those failures.
Literature review.
Troje, in his journal Total Productive Maintenance and Overview 2019, state that back in 10 years before, the average hour cost of downtime across all firms is around $260,000 and it's appeared to rising. This is an increasing from previous year, which is $164,000 amount. Totok Wanjito, in his journal titled Prepare of Standard Operation Procedure of Broccoli Handling at Bandung 2018, state that standards are developed to take into account the rules of SOP compilation according to SNI and good handling practice. The Quality and Management created PFMEA to support the implementation of a risk for successful quality management and defect prevention to the system. This statement is taken from the journal The Quality and Management System created PFMEA to support the implementation of risk-based thinking for successfully quality management and defect prevention to the system. The author of this journal is called Hood Aten 2018. FIR Land, in his journal 2001, also state that in PFMEA, the frequency of failure is defined as the number of times a failure can occur. The degree of difficulty in finding failure is referred to as detectability. FMEA scale. Here is show the FMEA scale that will be used to indicate the severity of a process. This table includes scale of detection, where the highest detection is 1, while for occurrence, the highest occurrence shows is 6 and severity state the highest indicate is 6. After filling the FMEA table, we will use this formula below to calculate the risk priority number RPN. This will help us to influence the choices of action to against failure mode. Onto the problem statement. The concept of automatic machine nowadays is highly demanded. Real cause of machine failure includes more than the time of material required to fix it. That's why maintenance is needed to be ensured that machine gets the best productivity and also to increase the lifespan of the components used. Objective. The objective of this project is to prepare the standard operating procedure SOP for automatic handling machine. Next is to propose the total predictive and preventive maintenance for automatic handling system. And lastly, to analyze the process failure mode effect analysis PFMEA of the automatic handling system at Smart Manufacturing Research Institute Lab.
Scope and limitation of study.
The scope of this study is we only focus on the maintenance management of the system, while for the limitation of this study is to understand about the mechanical details. I've been able only by referring to a recorded video that has been took during the launching of this machine. Next, my study is on only to analyze the process failure mode effect analysis FMEA. Next, to provide the standard operating procedure SOP, but this maintenance detail only can be used for automatic handling system which located at Smart Manufacturing Research Institute Lab. For methodology, the approach that I have been used for this research is by using DMIC method, where the D stands for define, M for measure, A for analysis, I stand for improve, and C stand for control. DMIC is a good method for methodology for improving existing process problem with unknown causes. Besides, DMIC is problem-solving approach that direct to Lean Six Sigma. Here, show the flowchart of my research where the defined phase includes stage 1 until 3. This phase helps to understand the problem of studies and enhance the understanding of the goal of the research. Next, to planning the flow boundaries of the start and stop of the process. Next, measure phase is the phase where stage 4, which is in this phase, I'm able to determine any type of defect and opportunities for improvement. Analyze phase is to identify the causing roots of the problem that occur and process determines in the system issue. Then, in improve stage is the stage that we working on fixing and resolve any problem that has been identified from past phase. And lastly, define phase is the phase to identify how can we sustain the improvement that have been made before. Expected result. I achieved my first objective, which is to prepare the standard procedure for this automatic handling machine for storage station and pick and place station. Next, I also achieved my second and third objective, where to propose the total predictive and preventive maintenance for automatic handling system and to analyze the PFMEA for automatic handling system. Here is the PFMEA table that I have come out with. The risk priority number RPN shows supply power to the system is the highest RPM. The suggested preventive maintenance is to always check the current supply wire and ensure all is in good condition. Project planning.
First is to finalize the project title and submission of registration form. Next is the research study and literature review. Third is the project analysis and preliminary result. Number 4 is to propose and updating proposal writing. Number 5 is submission of proposal. And lastly is the presentation of FYP. This Gantt chart shows the detailed project planning of my FYP1.
That's all from me, and thank you for listening. If you have any concern or question, please reach me through the comment section below or through my email at amiraezrin998@gmail.com. Thank you.